Are you having fun?
Oh, I'm always having fun.
It's cold out here, isn't it?
It's cold out here.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's a cold morning here in North Idaho, and we're about to hop on board the Michinoc and sail around Lake Coeur and go eagle watching. So come with us as we brave this cold weather and look for bald eagles out on Lake Coeur d'Alene. Okay, we're on board the boat and we are going to sail around Lake Coeur d'Alene. It's very cold out this morning. It's below 30 degrees. And I actually said the wrong boat. We are on the ship, the Coeur d'Alene, not the Michinoc. So come with us as we cruise down Lake Coeur d'Alene on the beautiful ship, the Coeur d'Alene. And they've got heat in here too, so that's good because it is cold. It's still cold, but we're warming up. Anyway, I wanted to introduce you to Molly. She's cruising with us today on Lake Coeur d'Alene, so say hi, Molly.
Hi, Molly.
So let's go check out.
I live here, by the way.
She's crazy because it's too cold to live here. So my friend in Argentina is texting me that it's 39 degrees there, which is like 90. And I'm like, we're freezing and you're hot, no fair. Anyway, let's go on Lake Coeur d'Alene. Hey Molly, I don't know if you noticed, but see those big yachts over there all wrapped up for winter?
I do?
Isn't that pretty fascinating?
Yeah, I think they wrap them right there at the dock and then shrink them.
Yikes. They can't go out until spring.
Yeah.
Brr, it's cold. The sound that you're hearing in the background is actually the sound of the ship hitting the water, and I'm going to leave it in this video. It is definitely cold out here. Hey Molly, are you having fun?
Oh, I'm always having fun.
It's cold out here, isn't it?
It's cold out here.
We took our boat cruise on Lake Coeur d'Alene hoping to do some eagle watching. We were out on the water for about 2 hours. It was beautiful, but it was cold. And in the end, we only saw one bald eagle. That might sound disappointing, but honestly, that's just how nature works sometimes. Every winter, people come to Lake Coeur d'Alene specifically to see the bald eagles. Lake Coeur d'Alene is known as one of the best places in the inland Northwest to spot them during the winter months. Some years, dozens and even hundreds of eagles gather here. It's definitely cold out here. The bald eagles migrate to this area primarily for food and open water. During the winter, parts of Canada and the northern Rocky Mountains freeze over, making fishing really difficult. Lake Coeur d'Alene usually stays partially ice-free, which gives eagles access to the fish, especially the kokanee salmon. When conditions are right, the lake becomes a seasonal feeding ground. Molly, it is so cold outside. I had to come inside to warm up. Brr. Best time to see the eagles is typically December through early February. That's when the fish runs peak and the water conditions are just right. But every year is different. Wildlife doesn't follow a calendar, and the eagles will move if conditions change. No, but we're looking. This year, the water levels are unusually high, and that makes a big difference. High water spreads the fish out and makes them harder for the eagles to catch. When hunting becomes difficult, the eagles don't stick around. They simply move on to another river or lake where the food's easier to find. So the fact that we only saw one eagle on the strip doesn't mean that the eagles are gone forever. It just means that they've moved to the next restaurant. A lot of people say that Lake Coeur d'Alene is one of the most beautiful lakes in North America, and I say I have to agree with them. It's got these beautiful mountains or hills, and the beautiful lake with little cabins. Very beautiful place. Here are a few interesting bald eagle facts. Bald eagles can spot their prey from over a mile away. Their wingspan can reach 6 to 7 feet. They can fly at speeds at over 30 miles per hour. Bald eagles don't get their white heads and tail until they're about 4 or 5 years old. Many eagles return to the same wintering location year after year. Okay, I'm gonna go back in. It is so cold out there. While we're out on the water, check out this boat here. It looks like it's 3 stories tall. It's not like anything I've ever seen, maybe a mini cruise ship. Kind of interesting. Even though the eagle sightings were limited, this cruise was still absolutely worth it. The lake was calm, the winter light was beautiful, there was a nice fog out on the water, and being out on the water gave us a whole new perspective on the area. Sometimes nature puts on a big show, and sometimes it's a quiet show, and peaceful and memorable, and that's what we got today.
And that eagle just took off. Now he's still right in front of us.
If you're planning an eagle watching trip to Coeur d'Alene, keep an eye on the timing, the water levels, and the weather conditions. And remember, wildlife sightings are never guaranteed. Molly, what did you think of that?
That was cool.
I thought it was kind of cold.
It was very cold. I'm glad we actually found some eagles on this trip. I was thinking we weren't going to see any.
But we found a few.
We saw a few.
Very good. Now we're going to stay inside where it's warm
Yeah.
and thaw out.